How to share meeting link in Microsoft Teams on mobile. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create meeting link in Microsoft Teams on mobile. So if you need to share a Microsoft Teams meeting link from your mobile phone, here is how you can do it. So first, open the Microsoft Teams app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And once you have opened the app, simply tap on the calendar icon shown at the bottom of the screen. And once you are in the calendar section, you can simply tap on the plus icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And once you tap on that, a pop-up menu will appear. From that menu, you can simply tap on new meetings. And now you have to schedule a new meetings. So you simply need to enter the meeting title, date, time, and attendees. And once you have filled out all the details, you can simply tap on the tick button shown in the top right corner of the screen. And once you have done that, you can simply go back to the calendar tab. And here you can find the meeting you have just created. Now you simply need to tap on it, and in the details tab, you will see the option to share meeting invite or copy meeting link. You can choose whichever works best for you, and note that if someone isn't listed as an attendee, the meeting won't show up on their team's calendar, but they can still join if the host allows them in. And that's it. Now you can easily share meeting links from your mobile device. And that's all there is to it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.